there, my name is Jennifer Kiefer and I'm the Executive Director of the Alliance for Industrial Efficiency. I'm also thrilled to be moderating the second annual Cogeneration Day USA, which will be held this year in Long Beach, California on November 9th. Cogeneration Day USA is brought to you by the Cogeneration Channel. The Cogeneration Channel is an innovative online media platform featuring over 900 videos from around the world, designed to educate, share best practices, and encourage greater use of combined heat and power, or cogeneration. Cogeneration Day USA is intended for anyone who's interested in learning more about how to make manufacturers, hospitals, universities, and multifamily residences more efficient and more competitive by reducing their energy use and by increasing their reliability. Now, this event will provide valuable resources and networking opportunities for CHP developers and engineers, potential project hosts, utilities, and policymakers. Really, anyone who's interested in learning more about CHP or cogeneration and finding out ways to increase its deployment. Let me take just a moment to tell you about a few highlights from our 2018 Cogeneration Day agenda. We're going to kick things off with a CHP market assessment and take a look at some of the regulations guiding CHP deployment throughout the United States.
But the good news is CHP is really having a renaissance here, largely propelled by the economics of North American natural gas.
We're then going to take a deep dive into California policies and regulations, looking at some unique considerations for our host state and the scale of the opportunity there.
Well, I think we're in an exciting time for cogeneration in the United States.
California, it's driven by the 50% renewables. It's driven by the goal to get more distributed energy resources online.
We're then going to turn to CHP for efficiency, reliability, and resiliency. As the grid moves to more natural gas-fired CHP, it has important implications for the efficiency of the grid and for its resiliency, which is particularly timely given FERC's interest in the resiliency of the U.S. power sector. We're then going to be looking at CHP for sustainability, both opportunities and challenges. CHP projects are subject to a whole host of environmental regulations that govern carbon emissions, air quality, and noise. We're going to look at some real projects and how they navigated these rules and try to learn a little bit more about the regulations that govern CHP deployment. At this time, we'll also have a chance to take a look at biogas and how the growing interest in renewable natural gas has implications for sustainability of these systems.
In the U.S., we have about 2,000 operational biogas systems, but the potential for about 14,000 new systems.
We're going to look at some case studies and best practices, shining a spotlight on some real-world examples as diverse as hospitals, wastewater treatment facilities, and greenhouses, really bringing home the tremendous versatility of this technology. And then finally, we're going to be looking at financing of combined heat and power projects. While these projects offer substantial economic benefits long-term, they still require a sizable upfront economic investment. We'll be looking at some innovative financing tools that help overcome that upfront cost, from the application of the recently extended investment tax credit, energy service contracts, and PACE financing for combined heat and power or cogeneration projects. I hope I have an opportunity to meet many of you in person in Long Beach, California on November 9th at Cogeneration Day USA. This is a wonderful opportunity to help network with many leaders in this space. So take some time out now to register at cogenerationdayusa.com. I'll see you there.